We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.